Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Hyundai Tucson front bumper, updated. Begin by parking on level ground, applying the parking brake, and disconnecting the battery for safety. Remove screws from the upper grille, wheel well liners, and lower valance while supporting the bumper. Gently pry plastic clips using a trim tool, disconnect fog lamp connectors, and set the bumper down on a soft surface. Take photos to aid reassembly and keep parts organized. In this video, I will show how to remove a Hyundai Tucson front bumper, updated. Start by opening the hood and removing the plastic caps and screws securing the top edge of the bumper. Next, turn the wheels and remove wheel well screws and clips to access side fasteners. Unscrew the lower valance fasteners, support the bumper with a hand, and gently disengage the side clips to free the bumper without bending tabs or cracking paint. In this video, I will show how to remove a Hyundai Tucson front bumper, updated. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It listens to voice commands and keeps metal shavings and dust at bay while you work. It's a small luxury that saves time and keeps your workspace tidy, especially after bumper projects. If this sounds useful, check the description for the link and other deals. Like and subscribe if helpful. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to remove a Hyundai Tucson front bumper, updated. After partially freeing the bumper, locate and unplug the fog lamp and other wiring harness connectors before attempting full removal. Label each connector and photograph the wiring layout for easy reinstallation. Check lamp sockets and clips for damage or corrosion, and replace any worn parts while the bumper is off to save time and prevent electrical issues later during reassembly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.